Hello, my name is Cooper from Weather for BMW, and today I want to talk about how to set up low-cost charging in your BMW 330e, or any hybrid. First, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this top left button, and what we're going to do is we're going to be looking for charging. We're going to click charging, and this is what we have right now. It says charge mode immediately. What we're going to do is we're going to switch it to time slot. We then have to set a departure time. What this departure time is when the vehicle will be preconditioned to leave every morning. What I'll do is set it regularly, have it on, and then I'm going to have it ready every morning at 8 a.m. for me. So at 8 a.m. every morning, it'll be ready, and I have to select all the days that I want it ready for. That'll be every day. If you need to set up multiple days, like if you want one day to be 8 a.m. but another day to be 10 p.m., you'd be able to adjust it right here. Or if you want one off, you could have it up here. Now that I'm going to go back, I can now select the time slot I'd like to charge at. For me, I want to charge at 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's going to be my low-cost charging here where I'm at. So right now, it's on time slot. It'll charge from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. every day, and the car will be preconditioned to be ready at 8 a.m. Preconditioning the vehicle will heat up the battery and heat up the inside of the car using the electricity of the house to let you have more range. Again, this is Cooper from Weather for BMW, and that was how to set up low-cost charging in your 330e.